What's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I want to talk about some news that's been floating around about Twitch and its payout. It's actually really good. So normally the payout would be $100, but for this what they're doing is they are implementing it to where the minimum is going to be $50. Now it is only starting in a few countries right now, and that is going to be Argentina, Italy, Japan, Mexico, Spain, and Taiwan. So they are going to be working with other countries all the way up to November of 2022. That way everybody will be able to use this and have it to where it's going to be $50 for the minimum. And this will work for both Twitch affiliates and Twitch partners. So that's really nice that it's not going to be isolated to only one group of creators. Now, one thing I do want to also mention that is in this article, which I will link in the video description below for you guys to read, because it is pretty small. But the one thing on here, it says that this lower $50 minimum is available through our most popular payment methods, which would be like direct deposit, e-check, local bank, PayPal, and check. Now, if you are processing through wire transfer payouts, will still have to require the $100 minimum due to transfer fees. But this is actually a really good win and a good positive note for Twitch, because I know Twitch has had some negative news in the past pretty recently, and it's good to see that they are trying to do stuff for the creators. And Twitch is not a bad platform. I know it does get a bad reputation at times, but no platform is perfect, guys. But I do want to hear from you. What do you guys think about this? Is it going to entice you to stay on Twitch if you already stream on Twitch? Is it going to entice you to start streaming on Twitch to try to go for affiliate? That way you can try to reach that payout. You know, how does this make you feel? And if you're looking for more videos that cover streaming and just kind of general news here and there, definitely go ahead and take a look at some of my videos here on this channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.